Humans have been designing humanoid robots for a long time. It's not hard to see why a human-shaped robot is like a surrogate for humans, and it can do many things that we can't or don't want to. A TeslaBot is no different. The idea is to build a robot that looks like an average person but has superpowers. They can help in factories and medical settings and be part of your family, helping you with daily chores. The company head, Elon Musk, is positive that the TeslaBot will be ready to launch in 2022. Want to know more? Then just keep watching. Do we really need humanoid robots? We need humanoid robots for a lot of reasons. First and foremost, humanoids are incredibly useful for helping humans in the workplace. They can do all kinds of things humans can't, like lifting heavy objects without getting tired or injured. And they can do it for hours on end without needing a break. Humanoids could also be used to help people who are disabled or injured in some way. They could assist them with everyday tasks like cooking meals or cleaning the house. In addition to their usefulness at work, humanoids are also helpful in other ways. For example, they could be used by police officers to help with crowd control during riots or protests. They could provide companionship to older people living alone, and they could even help children learn about science and technology through engaging conversations with them. What is the TeslaBot all about? TeslaBot will be known by the name Optimus. It is a revolutionary robot that resembles us and will be at our service whenever we need it. Tesla may or may not have had inspiration derived from other humanoid robots in the market. Still, one thing is for sure. Keeping in mind Tesla's other awe-inspiring products, Optimus will most likely wow the public in general. Musk said that the robot would have several cameras fitted to help it navigate the environment. Also, the Tesla Autopilot software will power the bot. When it comes to how fast the robot can travel, he said it would travel at about 5 miles per hour. According to Musk, the purpose of TeslaBot is not just convenience, but also safety. Sometime in the future, humans will no longer have to perform life-threatening tasks and duties when humanoid robots make their way into our lives. The human body is the epitome of functionality and intelligence, so tech companies are using the fundamentals of our muscular and skeletal systems to design human-like robots which are able to move, run, and walk like us. Moreover, thanks to AI, these robots are fitted with advanced computer programs that can enable the robot to analyze and respond to their environment and also make decisions on their own. The robot itself aims to be a sleek, 125-pound, 173-centimeter tall human-like robot having artificial intelligence. It will likely take over the boring, repetitive, and dangerous tasks humans perform today. This would really make a huge contribution to assist in manufacturing industries. Abilities of Optimus. Worried about completing your home chores, job responsibilities, and socializing needs all in the 24-hour cycle? Well, Optimus will be there to lend you a helping hand. Once it configures your house dimensions, positioning of furniture, and other objects, it will take care of the cleaning, taking care of your lawns and garden by mowing the grass, watering the plants, and perhaps even weeding. It could even cook your meals, take care of the elderly with their medications, and help them move around the house. Humanoid robots have already been used in medicine as assistants for doctors and nurses. They can perform routine tasks like taking vitals and delivering supplies while allowing humans to focus on more complex tasks like surgery or diagnostics. This allows hospitals to cut costs by reducing their need for human staffing while also increasing efficiency by eliminating wasted time spent waiting around for machines to complete simple tasks. In addition to being helpful in hospitals, humanoid robots are also being used by first responders in disaster situations where lives are at stake. They can do things like search for survivors or administer emergency medical care without putting people at risk of injury from dangerous conditions like fires or earthquakes, which may cause further damage. This helps reduce mortality rates from natural disasters and makes it easier for authorities to coordinate efforts when tragedy strikes. What will it cost? Assuming the fact that Elon Musk has targeted the average household to be able to afford a TeslaBot, it might not be that expensive. Well, he has said that it will be cheaper than buying a car. We say this because of the way the company is marketing it. Tesla is one of the most well-known car companies in the world, and they are known for their high-quality yet affordable products. The TeslaBot will be no different. It will be high quality but still affordable to everyone who wants one. We also say this because of where we think Tesla will sell their product: directly to consumers. In order to keep costs down for consumers, companies often sell directly through their own website and skip out on middlemen like dealerships and retailers who take a cut of the profits from each sale. By selling directly to customers, Tesla can keep costs low while still providing a good product at an affordable price point. But don't be fooled to believe that it could be bought by everyone yet. This technology is new and still under constant evolution. And like every new product, Optimus will also be expensive for the masses. Some estimates suggest the robot will come with a price tag of around $10,000 or even more. As more companies start manufacturing similar robots, the price will drop, but it's still speculation. So is TeslaBot ready in 2022? Tesla has a history of over-promising on timelines, whether for product unveiling or investor presentations. As a result, the company has sadly failed to pan out fanciful ideas in the past. So there are people who are doubtful if Optimus will ever see the light of day. We've been promised that the launch date would be announced soon. Some say it will be the end of September this year that Tesla releases the first prototype of the robot. However, we're still waiting for an actual date. According to Elon Musk, we have a very talented team at Tesla that I'm working with closely to have a prototype humanoid robot ready by the end of September. But it's okay. We're sure that it will be amazing when Optimus TeslaBot finally launches. It will solve problems that nobody even knew they had. It will make your life so much better than it was before. The best part? You'll never have to worry about anything ever again. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching. See you next time.